Hey everyone, welcome back to Shadtech Solutions. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to safely remove unwanted system apps, also known as bloatware, using ADB AppControl. This method works on any Android phone, and the best part is, you don't need root to do it. If your device is slow, running out of space, or packed with apps you never use. This video is going to help you clean it up the right way. So stay with me, follow the steps carefully, and let's get your phone running smoother than ever.
Now we are going to uninstall system apps using ADB AppControl. As you already know, uninstalling system apps is not something that can be done easily on Android. But with this tool, the process becomes simple and safe. First, open ADB AppControl and navigate to the System section. This is where all system apps are stored. Next, open the Device panel so you can see your phone's screen. This is the phone I'm working on, and these are the 4 system apps I will be uninstalling. Follow along carefully so you can understand exactly how this works. Search for the app called Phone Master. Select it, choose Uninstall, and confirm by clicking Yes twice. Wait for the process to finish. The app has now been successfully uninstalled. This type of app is considered bloatware. Next, search for Palm Store, sometimes known as Palm Chat. Select it, uninstall it, and confirm on your phone that it is gone. Click Yes and continue. Now search for YouTube Music. Select it and choose the Uninstall option. Click Uninstall, then confirm with Yes. Check your phone to ensure it's removed. YouTube Music has now been successfully uninstalled. Go to the search bar again and find the last system app you want to remove. You'll see that Find Hub. Select it, uninstall it, and confirm twice. Check your phone. The app is successfully removed. At this point, all 4 system apps have been completely uninstalled. Go to the Uninstalled Apps section, and you'll see all the removed apps listed there. To double-check, use the search bar and try searching the apps again. Palm Store, YouTube Music, and all the others are no longer in the system. These are the apps that have been uninstalled using this software. And that's how easy it is, provided you have this tool. You can safely uninstall system apps and remove unwanted bloatware from your device.